Okay, so as we had the rear facing straps before, they're down here at the bottom, as you can see. Okay, so for front facing, what we need to do is we need to extend it out so it can sit flat. Then pull the strap out. We'll put the chair such as, and then start with the straps at the top sides, the top slot holes. That way it holds it in place better for front facing. And then again, just look back in here, you flip it in there, and then you just tighten it, making sure that it's on your seat cover. That way you don't scratch your chair. Tighten it, and then again, bring your chair back up, and it's in place. And if you need to loosen anything, there's a button right above here. I don't know if you can get in there and see it, but what it does is it loosens it up, and now you're ready to go and readjust it. And that is front facing. But also, if you need to loosen it up, for some car seats, you have adjustable headrests, such as this one. They go up and down. So for different child's sizes. But everything else is basic and pretty much the easiest way to install a front facing car seat as well. Thank you for watching.